Thanks for joining me for another installment of Nutanix in Real Time. Remember, in this series, we don't fast forward, we don't skip through the content, but we do provide you with video markers in or around the area of the time slider at the bottom of the video. Hover over that area, you'll see little pop-ups giving you chapter indicators for the video. Feel free to select the chapter that interests you most, whether it's moving ahead or moving backward, totally your choice. Thanks for coming by, and we hope you enjoy the content. In this video, we're going to deploy file analytics for Nutanix Files. Here in the file server view, we're going to click the Deploy File Analytics link. The first screen we see will allow us to deploy file analytics. So let's do that. Version 2.1 is available. Go ahead and download that. Give our server a name. Specify the storage capacity, the network, the subnet mask, default gateway, and we'll assign an IP address to the server. Compute details, and it's important here to show advanced settings so that we can configure the DNS host for this machine. And we'll go ahead and deploy it. And as with previous deployments of products on the platform, we can get a detailed view of the tasks associated with the activity by creating on the tasks dropdown. As has been the case in this video series, we'll go ahead and keep the recording rolling in the event that you are interested in the actual duration required to deploy these products. Also, as has been the case for the videos in this series, we will have chapter markers so that you can skip ahead or skip back, as it were. All right, our download is complete. Our server creation task is now underway at about 1% completion. All right, our file analytics server is now deployed and created, as indicated by the successful tasks in the list here. And what we should also notice in a moment is that our file analytics link will light up, allowing us to analyze the disposition of files on the file servers in the cluster here. Clicking on the file analytics link will take us to our file analytics dashboard after we authenticate. We'll go over to server 1. So what I'll do is go ahead and kick off an initial scan on server 1. It's been triggered successfully. And looks like that scan has completed. Go ahead and refresh. And here we have a depiction of files on our file share. Capacity trends. The server's only been up for a few minutes, so there really isn't any trending information to show. The age of data here. File distribution by size, distribution by type. So we see we have 6.5 meg of installers, some Office documents and images, top users, top access files, top operations. So pretty cool stuff.